Arithmetic sequence. Let us solve the missing term of the sequence. So let us solve the missing term of the arithmetic sequence. The first term, that is 2. So second, third, fourth, and fifth term is missing, while the sixth term, that is negative 8. So the formula to get the missing term of the arithmetic sequence, first, we need to identify the common difference. The formula for the common difference, D, it is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. So 2, that could be our first term. Negative 8, that could be our last term. So let us replace. That becomes negative 8 minus 2. And then if we count from 2 up to negative 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6 minus 1. So negative 8 and negative 2 add, so that is negative 10. 6 minus 1, that is 5. If we divide, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So negative 10 divided by 5, the common difference, that is negative 2. If the common difference is negative 2, let us see what could be the value of the second term. So 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Third term, 0 minus 2, so that is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 minus 2, that is equal to negative 4. Negative 4 minus 2, that is equal to negative 6. If we check the last term, negative 6 minus 2, that is negative 8. So the missing term of this arithmetic sequence, 0, negative 2, negative 4, and negative 6. How about the second example? Our first term is missing, second term is 8, third, fourth, fifth is missing, while the last term, that is negative 4. So the formula, D, it is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. So our first term, that is 8, our last term, that is negative 4. So negative 4 minus 8, and then if we count from 8 up to negative 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 minus 1. So let us add. Negative 4 minus 8 add, so that is negative 12 over 4. So negative 12 divided by 4, the answer is equal to negative 3. If the common difference is negative 3, let us solve the missing term of the sequence. So that becomes 8 become plus 3 because going to left. So 8 plus 3, 11. If we check 11 minus 3, the answer is equal to 8. Third term, 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. 5 minus 3, the answer is equal to 2. 2 minus 3, that is equal to negative 1. If we check the last term, negative 1 minus 3, that is negative 4. So the missing term of this sequence is 11, 5, 2, and negative 1. Third example, our second term, that is 6. Missing is first, third, fourth, and then the sixth term. And our fifth term, that is 12. The formula, a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. Last term is 12. First term is 6. So 12 minus 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12 minus 6 all over 4 minus 1. 12 minus 6 subtract, that is 6 divided by 3. If we divide, 6 divided by 3, the answer is equal to 2. If the common difference is equal to 2, so how to solve the first term? So going to left, so we need to subtract. 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. Or if we check, 4 plus 2, 6. Third term, 6 plus 2, 8. Fourth term, 8 plus 2, 10. And then 10 plus 2, 12. And our last term, 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14. So the missing term of the sequence are 4, 8, 10, and 14. Let us solve the missing term if the given first, second, third, and the fifth term is missing. Fourth term, that is 4. Last term, that is negative 4. The formula for the common difference, D, it is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. Last term, that is negative 4. First term, that is 4. So negative 4 minus 4. And then our n, 1, 2, 3. So that is 3 minus 1. So let us add. Negative 4 minus 4, that is negative 8 over 2. Negative 8 divided by 2, so that is negative 4. The common difference is negative 4. Let us solve the fifth term. So 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. 0 minus 4, that is negative 4. How about the first, second, and third term? So that is going to left. So we need to add 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. 8 plus 4, that is 12. 12 plus 4, that is 16. If you try to check, 16 minus 4, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 0 minus 4, that is negative 4. So the answer of the missing term of this sequence, that is 16, 12, 8, and 0.